Want to create a handwriting text effect in After Effects? It only takes a few simple steps using the stroke effect. First, type your text using a handwritten style font. I'm using Seago Print, but you can choose any script font you like. Next, grab the pen tool and draw a path that follows the strokes of the letters. Try to keep the path centered along each stroke for a clean, realistic animation. Once you finish a stroke, click the text layer in the timeline before starting a new one. After Effects will automatically create a new mask for each stroke. Now, go to Effects and Presets and search for Stroke. Apply it to the text layer. Then adjust these settings. Set spacing to 0%, change paint style to Reveal Original Image. Adjust the brush size to match the thickness of your font. Set path to All Masks, and make sure Stroke Sequentially is checked. Now when you change the end value, you'll see your handwriting animation in action. Add a keyframe at 0%, then another at 100% a few seconds later. Boom! You've got your handwriting reveal. To make it smoother, select both keyframes, right-click, go to Keyframe Assistant, and choose Easy Ease, or just press F9. In my next video, I'll show you the advanced version of this effect, how to take your handwriting animation to the next level with full control and polish. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe.